Hello! I will be recording a very short video on how to change from standard form to general form. So, yung standard form natin, ulitin ko lang, is y equals a x minus h squared plus k, or ito yung tinatawag na vertex form, where hk is your vertex. And then the general form po is ax squared plus bx plus c. So, actually ito madali lang naman kasi ang gagawin nyo lang ay mag-expand lang kayo. And mag-a-add lang ng like terms. So, for example, I have y negative x minus 3 squared plus 9. Ang gagawin lang po natin is we will expand yung nandito sa loob. X squared minus 6x plus 9. And then, pag ganito mga anak, ang gagawin nyo po is i-distribute nyo muna yung negative before you add this. So, negative x squared plus 6x minus 9 plus 9. Magze-0 po yan. Therefore, ang matitira na lang ay x squared plus 6x. So, before, we mentioned na hindi dapat negative si x squared. Pero in this case, kapag function na po tayo, pwede siyang maging negative. Ibig sabihin, your parabola is pointing downwards. Okay? Another example. Let's have y equals 4x plus 2 squared minus 1/2. Ayan, may fraction para medyo mas mahirap ng konti. Y equals, again, expand first. 4 plus 4. And then you multiply 4 muna. Distribute sa lahat ng terms. So, you're going to have 4x squared plus 16x plus 16 minus 1/2. And then, of course, you have to do this, which I know you don't like, pero wala tayong magagawa. Paano tayo mag-subtract ng whole number at fraction? Put them all on the same denominator. Cross-multiply. So, 31 over 2. 4x squared plus 16x plus 31 over 2. Now, it's up to you kung gusto nyo tanggalin yung fraction na yan, pero I will accept this answer. Okay? So, yun lang. Very easy. That's it, pansit.